Today, we are talking about how to become a nurse. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my video. So, in my last video, I told a lot of you that claim to be nurses, but I know nurses. I explained. My last video, I explained what a nurse is. So basically, if you know you're a quack or you're an health attendant, you're a community healthcare extension worker, or you are anyone, and you want to be a nurse, please don't lie that you're a nurse. Don't become a quack. Don't commit a crime. There is a way for you to become a nurse legally, and it's not too hard. I'm a nurse, I'm an human being. I did it, so you can do it. Okay, so the way you can become a nurse in Nigeria, every country have their, methods, prerequisites, but since we're in Nigeria, let's talk about Nigeria. So how do you become a registered nurse in Nigeria? So there are two legal routes you can go through to become a nurse in Nigeria. Route one, you can go to university. So you do a 5-year BNSC. You get a 5-year BNSC degree from a Nigerian accredited university. And that's what I did. So when you do that, you get your degree and you also get your RN license. For most universities, you also get the opportunity to, become a registered midwife and a registered public health nurse. That's if you are able to sit for the exams and you pass. That's the professional exams to get those licenses. So one of the routes is to go to a university, an accredited university for nursing, and you're going to study for 5 years. You're going to get a BNSC degree, and you're also going to become a registered nurse. Yay! I'm a registered nurse, and I have my degree. Wala for who not get degree. Okay, the second route is you go to a college of nursing. Now this is much shorter, so it's for 3 years. You go to a college of nursing, an accredited college of nursing in Nigeria. I beg, go make sure it's accredited. Like I said in my last video, there is a body of authority. There's a regulatory body of authority, that is in charge of accreditation, examinations, and all of that, and that issues the license. So ensure that the school is accredited. So you can go to a college of nursing for 3 year a 3-year program. I think they changed it to 4 years in some places. Now you go there, you get your HND, I think, or OND, I'm not quite sure. So you get there and you get your registered nursing certificate, right? So those are the two methods. Personally, I would recommend going to a university, because even though it's longer when you graduate, I believe you graduate with more opportunities, since you also have your degree both in Nigeria and outside of Nigeria. You kind of are open to more opportunities and higher levels, okay, compared to someone who graduated from a college of nursing. However, both of these options are amazing options. You will become a licensed nurse, which is legal. You'll be able to practice and you'll be proud of yourself. Both routes require you to pass a professional qualifying exam. You get? So when you go to school, you don't just graduate and become a nurse. You're going to pass a professional qualifying exam. That's the RN examination organized by Nigerian Nursing and Midwifery Council. That's NMCN. So if you are learning nursing in a private hospital, you are not a nurse, because no private hospital is accredited to train you in nursing. So don't let them lie to you. I'm telling you, you're not a nurse. So if you are learning nursing in an hospital, you are not. Don't post online and say you're a nurse, because you're just being exploited. You're being exploited to provide cheap, illegal labor. You're being exploited to commit a crime. So you better stop now before you are prosecuted, before you get punished for it. So please stop. You're not going to get licensed. You can't work anywhere outside of Nigeria. You can't work in an accredited facility. So please, real nursing education is what you should pursue. A real nursing education is structured, it is regulated, and then you are going to be sure you are qualified for the job. And you're going to be sure that when you undo someone's life, you're not going to, buy the person or kill the person. So please, pursue nursing education if you're interested in nursing. Go through the normal route. Don't become a quack. You could get, it's a crime, and it could harm patients' life. So please go to school if you're interested in nursing. For any more questions, you can contact me. Thank you.